In a small countryside town, a widowed mother, Sarah, and her teenage son, Jake, share a deep bond with their old horse, Charlie. As the summer days wane, they realize that Charlie's health is failing. One afternoon, while grooming Charlie, Sarah reminisces about the joyful memories associated with him, recounting how he helped Jake overcome his shyness as a child. Determined to create one last unforgettable experience with Charlie, Sarah suggests a trail ride through their favorite spots. The duo sets off on a picturesque journey, filled with laughter and nostalgic stories. Along the way, they visit the old oak tree, where Jake had his first riding lesson, and the meadow where they spent countless afternoons playing. As they continue, their emotional connection to Charlie deepens, but so does the reality of their impending goodbye. The ride culminates at a serene lake where they sit together, reflecting on their shared love for the horse and the lessons he taught them about perseverance and joy. The film ends as they return home, knowing they must prepare for Charlie's final days, but feeling grateful for the memories they've created together.